Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tuna in the house. Guys, please remember to leave your girl a little bit of like, subscribe for other amazing content, share out the video, share it to your loved ones, your friends. Just run the playlist for me, guys. Yes. Let's grow this channel together. All right, guys. So I'm gonna come back with more recipe, whether regular, healthy, it doesn't matter. All right. And if you know a video what you want me to do, just leave it in the comment section. So guys, we're gonna go into this video now. All right, we're gonna make some mango aloe sea moss smoothie. This one is super healthy. It's gonna boost and build your immune system. Antioxidant in the aloe vera and the sea moss gel. It's good for inflammation, infection, bacteria. It's a good gut health. Both of them together, aloe and sea moss, good for your skin, good for your hair, good for your digestive system. The aloe is good for gum disease, and the sea moss gonna fight away all infection, help with lower cholesterol, lower blood sugar, help with diabetes, control the blood sugar levels. It's super amazing here, guys. Good for skin, nails, hair, teeth, eye, the whole body. And your mango now, you have your lots of vitamins and all, good for digestion, good for pain and inflammation. All right, it's a super healthy smoothie. All right, guys, it's also good for detox and weight loss. It's a complete smoothie right here, and I'm gonna come with more for you. All right, so let's get into this video. Too much talking from your girl. All right, so I went ahead, guys. I'm gonna use my little bit bigger size blender. I cut up few pieces. All right, I have just 3 pieces, like about 1/3 cup or 1/4 cup, just a little bit, guys. I would say this is about 1/4 cup. All right, look, few pieces. We're gonna empty it out in there. You can drink this like 3 times per week. You can you don't have to overdo it, right? It's gonna have the same health benefits. All right, so I would say 3-4 times a week. I do mine like 3 times a week because I mix more smoothie. All right, I'm gonna drink a green one, a different one, and this is my sea moss. You know it already, guys. I'm gonna come and make another video for you with the sea moss gel. I'm gonna put just like a tablespoon like that. I'm gonna go in. Sorry guys, I should put the phone on the stand, I'm lazy. With a little bit of ginger. You can use the fresh cut ginger powder, this ginger, it doesn't matter what ginger, use some ginger. All right, and this is my mango. You can use the fresh one or the frozen. I like to use frozen mangoes. And that's it, guys. I'm not gonna overdo it. About 1/3 cup of mango. That look like about 1/2 cup of mango. All right, and you can blend it with water, or you can use some almond milk. See, guys, so as I said, you can blend it with water or almond milk. I'm gonna go in with about a cup. Yeah, about a cup of almond milk. All right, guys, let's blend. And that's it, guys. You can put more mango if you want, but that's it for me. All right, guys, you don't have to put any ice, but I'm just gonna put a little bit, and this is the goodness. All right, guys, let's pour. Woo, just enough for 2 servings, guys. Yay, that's it. 2 servings. And guys, this is it. This is the final result. Yes, it's super healthy. You don't need no sugar, no honey. All right, just drink it down. You don't have to drink it sweet all the time. All right, guys. And oh, and I use the unsweetened almond milk as well. You can use the regular, it's up to you. All right, guys, try this out. Tell me how you like it. I'm gonna come back with lots more recipe, and if you have a request, just leave it in the comment section. Shout me out on Instagram. All right, anywhere. All right, guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Super healthy right here. I'm so excited, guys. And I have one just in mind right now that I want to do again, guys, but I'll come back and we're gonna taste it. You can use a straw. The sea moss gonna thick it up a little bit, you see? Shit. Ooh, jiggly.